The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, to be accompanied by Asher Benjamin, competing out of New Mexico, El Tornado.
El Tornado is a veteran who's been on the scene for a long time, and I wasn't aware of this until earlier today, but he has long-standing history with Rip Impact. And from what I understand, this El Tornado mostly lives off the grid, so any interview requests, any bookings, has to go through the man in the Komodo and the scarf there, Asher Benjamin. He takes care of all of El Tornado's business affairs, and I've never seen this guy before. We have yet another manager on the scene. And it looks like he's got a nice chalice of his favorite Merlot. In my estimation, that already makes him a little bit more classy than Too Magnificent Ricky Martin. Gotta admit, I like El Tornado's theme song though. The entrance is pretty electric. But it's going to be nothing compared to the ovation that we get at the return of Rip Impact MCW original. First, I think we're going to hear from Mr. Benjamin.
For the ceremony that's about to begin, it is our honor to be in a cultured, classy, and multicultural city like right here in Brampton.
Oh boy.
Oh, Brantford, forget what I said about being cultured then. If they call Hamilton the armpit of Ontario, that makes Brantford the undiagnosed hairy mole that needs to be removed. So I'll talk really slow for you then. We need complete silence. El Tornado is about to pay homage to his fallen master. This is a ceremony that requires respect, silence, and your utmost attention. Quiet! Show respect! You may now snap and show your respects. Snap your fingers! Snap! Uncultured swine!
And his opponent, competing out of Hamilton, Ontario, your high-risk hero, Rip Impact!
Words can't even describe how excited Rip Impact is to be back here in MCW today. He's been here since day one, never missed a show, and of course he's not going to miss the big return here to Knights of Columbus in Brantford. And I was asking him about his history with El Tornado. He didn't really want to talk about it earlier. He just said this matchup has been a long time coming and that it's personal. Why it's personal, I'm not exactly sure, but it's going to be a challenge nonetheless, and I'm not exactly in a state of endearment over the greetings and introduction of Asher Benjamin. I tell you, I don't know where the pro wrestling landscape finds these or attracts these managers these days, but they're just all the same. And I'm sure Benjamin's going to be sticking his nose where it doesn't belong, so we're going to have to keep an eye on him. And the MCW faithful, of course, really excited to see Rip Impact, as they should be. It's been a long time coming to see the return of Rip in an MCW ring.
Ref, tell these people to show respect. That's number one.
And I think we know
Rest in peace, this guy. Yes,
who the crowd will be behind in this one. El Tornado. He's a big man.
Come on, dummy.
Like I said, he's a bit of a mystery to me. This is my first time seeing him tonight in MCW. So he's definitely got the power and the size. We'll see if he has Rip's agility. Highly unlikely though, as Rip is one of the most agile, limber, speedy competitors in the game. Knows every in and out of that squared circle. He is the lead trainer of the Hamilton Pro Wrestling Academy and has an impressive list of proteges. They've not only made their mark here in MCW, but in all of Ontario as well. Whoa, furious nip up by El Tornado. That was impressive. What does Rip Impact say to that? He just sweeps the leg out underneath him. When you're wrestling a bigger man, those legs, those knees, those quadriceps, they're like bullseyes on a dartboard. You gotta go for them first if you have any chance of beating a bigger man. And after Benjamin holding up that luchador mask of El Tornado's fallen master, once again, this is a story I have to investigate. I'm not too familiar with it. But demanding the Brantford crowd show respect for someone they've never heard of in that derogatory manner. It's not going to make you too many friends around here, I'll tell you that right now. Doesn't help that he doesn't even know what city he's in, but then again with these manager types, that's nothing new. Nice hammerlock applied by El Tornado, reversal by Rip.
Come on, Tornado.
I still don't know what the snap clapping's all about either, but I don't know, I guess that's to show he's cultured or something. Continuing the trade-off on hammerlocks here. One of these competitors, elbow, that almost hit Rip right in the ear. Goes back to the hammerlock. Now Rip's trying to escape, he's doing the old runaround, and it worked perfectly. Great veteran move, escape the hammerlock, you run around in a circle, and the momentum and the trajectory will have the body weight of your opponent exit the ring. And that worked very nicely for him. Now this match is a bit of a different pace compared to the last few MCW shows we've seen Rip Impact compete in. Rip has been competing in a lot of three-way matches and four-way matches with competitors who have just as much agility, speed, and technical prowess as he has. So for the first time in a while, at least in an MCW ring, Rip is going to have to get used to slowing it down a little bit. He doesn't have to go at the lightning-paced breakneck speed that he's been used to in these triple threat and four-way matches of the past few shows. But I have to admit, I'm very impressed so far with how Rip has adjusted to just having a squared-up one-on-one match with the bigger man. He's adjusted his strategy very nicely. Now El Tornado showing a test of strength, and he's going to win a strength contest over Rip Impact, no question. Rip is very strong, but this El Tornado is just too big. Rip, though, showing the agility, going back into the bridge, trying to gain some more momentum. And he might be looking towards the ropes here. As a springboard or something like it would be a great counter from Rip, but he doesn't get there. Well, he rolls out of that one and goes into a monkey flip. Nicely done. Into a beautifully executed arm drag. And that one really caught Tornado off guard, and he's got to go into the ropes to get that hold broken. And now he's back to Aster Benjamin for consolation. Boy, I tell you, if this Benjamin wasn't at ringside, the action would be even more fast and furious than it is now. He's kind of slowing the pace down on purpose, no doubt. But Rip, he's not going to take that for very long as he goes to the outside. Oh, hard series of right hands into some chops. And Rip is very comfortable on the outside, as we've seen in past MCW shows. Now, is he going to sit him down for another chop? Nope. He's going to give it to him while standing up.
Now that's what you call respect.
As he throws Tornado back into the ring. The lights here at the Knights of Columbus are starting to come out as we are pretty much near sunset. But we're still happy that you can follow all of the action, light or dark, it doesn't matter. MCW is back and here to stay. And always got Rip hung up and goes for a beautiful leg drop. Tremendous hang time from the big man. Here's a cover. Not quite, not quite. Got to do a little bit more than that to keep a competitor, a veteran like Rip Impact down. That might be a chokehold either way. He broke it before the count of 5. And now he's going to use the ropes for those extra leverage. Well, now don't put your hands on an official. You be careful there, Tornado. This match is going to end in a hurry. Oh, I see. It's all part of his plan. Benjamin with his precious Merlot. If you can see if he was still holding it, getting some extra shots in there. I knew this was going to happen from the get-go. Oh, drops the fist. May have hit Rip right in the chin or the jaw with that one. Either way, El Tornado has the upper hand in this one. He's going to go to the top rope. I wonder what he's got planned here. Rip back on his feet though. Oh, nice hang time on the double axe. Not quite enough. He got a lot of it, but not quite enough. Rip is still picking around, and you know the support of the Brantford faithful. He's feeding off of that. That always gives him an extra shot of adrenaline at this stage of the matchup. And there he goes. He's looking for shots to the midsection, but not quite enough to phase El Tornado. As he's going up top again. This big man really likes to fly. Oh, but he gets caught this time and slammed right off the top. Impressive show of strength by Rip Impact on that one. Now he's just giving him shots to the quads again. Little roundhouse kick. And textbook neck breaker. Hooks the leg. Nope, 2 count only.
Finish this, Bradford!
Are you going to see the ripcord or sliced bread number 2? What does the high-risk hero have in mind here? Well, he might be going for sliced bread number 2, maybe. And well, there's Benjamin sticking his nose where it doesn't belong. And a double axe to the back. Completely changed the tide of this one yet again. It's really 2-on-1 in these situations. I don't know what you can do. Keep it a fair fight. You just got to fight through it, I guess, and make sure the referee is on top of it. Hard whip into the buckle. That ring moved. I don't know exactly how many inches it moved, but it definitely came off its foundation there for a brief second. And look at this. Okay, that cover just isn't going to do it. I'm sorry. Not to Rip Impact or to anybody else. And I believe this is trip number 3 up top for El Tornado. Might be risking a little too much here. Yep, he went back. As they say to that well one too many times, goes for an outward double axe, gets a shot to the midsection. And now Rip has the upper hand again with the fury of clotheslines. Oh, carried off the ropes now. Rip ducks under. Springboards into a beautiful crossbody. Oh. Referee got in position a little bit sooner. This one might be over. That was really close. As that third trip to the top rope really could have cost El Tornado. Oh, and a big boot. Into a bigger clothesline. And some interesting screech to boot. He rolls into a cover. Could we see a victory here? Oh.
Come on, ref! You are so slow! You should be in the Brantford school system!
Benjamin voicing his displeasure to the referee, even though I think he was in about as good a position as you can get in that one. Oh no, come on. Don't fall for this one. It's happened already. Turn yourself around, referee. I don't even want to know what's in that scarf or where it's been that you're trying to choke Rip Impact with.
Costs more than you make in a year.
Nope. Sits out onto the back. Might be setting up for a modified camel clutch here. Yep. This one's going to hurt, no doubt, with that size, that body weight on your back. Oh, and he's raking for the eyes. Referee, get in there. They can break the hold. The Brantford faithful are wearing Rip Impact. He's actually really close. He's got that left foot closer to the ropes, but it looks like he may escape without it. Nope, he does get to the ropes, so the hold must be broken.
He didn't give up, he's on the rope! Tornado's the winner!
Another one Tornado's the winner. That is yet to be decided, Mr. Benjamin. This match is far from over. And it's been a good one so far. Way up for a scoop slam. Oh, nails it. Lands him right where he wants him. Now is Tornado going to try and go to the top rope yet again?
What about me?
Or whatever it is, he's wasting an awful lot of time here. He's got Rip Impact right where he wants him. This is not a position we see Rip in very often, so you don't want to delay. Yep, he took way too much time. It was nice execution on that second rope leg drop, but that's just not going to get the job done when you take that long with Rip on his back. It's not a position he's in for very long. Face first into the buckle. Might be going around the world again. Calling for it, yes. Hits all corners. Trying to keep my eye on Master Benjamin. I don't see him anywhere. Here's a cover. Nope. Not quite there yet. Rip gets him up. Oh! Atomic drop. Now he's got him up. Reverse atomic drop. Into a clothesline. Rip going back to the basics here, but these moves are effective nonetheless. Here we go, slice bread number 2 maybe. Yes, nails it. And of course, Benjamin with the distraction. Otherwise, this match would be over. Now, give him a shot, Ripper. Oh, now he's going to put him inside. Rip's got to be careful. He could be risking disqualification here, since the manager is inside the ring.
What are you doing here? Right? I'm just gonna go.
Oh, and finally Rip gets a much-deserved shot in on him. Well, he could be going for the 519 on him here. He got him. Nailed it. And he took a swing at Rip Impact first, so that negates a disqualification. Tornado's back up, though. Rip has his guard down and gets thrown to the apron. Rip lands on his feet like he tends to do. Goes for a sunset flip here. Hold the ropes.
You're cheating!
Referee's not falling for it. There's a cover. No. Another cover. Action fast and furious. Another inside cradle. Small package. No. 2 count only. Oh, Rip going for a cradle. He didn't quite get all of it. Only got a 2 count on that one. Oh, hard shot by Tornado.
Hey, watch your throat, Tornado. Keep it out of the corner.
Come on, Rip!
Whip into the buckle. No matter where this one goes, I think thankfully Aster Benjamin is out of action completely. And Tornado again, taking a lot of time to set up for this next move, and yeah, it's going to cost him. You got to be quicker with a veteran like Rip Impact, because he could turn this thing around right away. Goes from behind into a backslide. That could do it. He got him. What a hard-fought victory by the high-risk hero.
gentlemen, at this time we will be taking our intermission.